In this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial how to use Microsoft Planner in your works. My name is Matthias and welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, before we get started, let me introduce to you what is actually Microsoft Planner. So Microsoft Planner is a to-do list, but you can use it to collaborate with your colleagues. So before you get started, you need to log into your Microsoft 365, and then from there you can straight away go to your planner. Here it is, right? It's quite easy. And once you have done that, you just create your new plan, and you guys can also create in a new plan here as well. So you can put in what are your plan name, your privacy as public or private, and good to go. So here I already created one plan. I call it as project number 1, and from here when you click on it, I already assign my member inside this plan. And then what you're going to do is just as a to-do list, right? You need to put in, like for example here I need to, let's say I'm going to have a topic of, let's put as electricity. Let's say I put the due date as Friday, and I'm going to say assign myself and also Eileen to that topic. Then we just click add task and you have completed, right? So from here you can navigate as well inside the topic. You can add in the checklist. Okay, so you can put in a research topic, right? Then you can also have a group discussion, present topic. We're just going to study tomorrow on the 2nd of August to 6th of August. Then after you have completed, just click anywhere outside the screen and it is here. Good. And then here maybe we can add another task, create YouTube video for the topic. So first we create the topic, create the YouTube video, can set the due date to 13, then I can assign that I put Eileen and myself as well. Same process, you just add in your checklist. So first prepare and set up, can record, edit, create thumbnail to YouTube. But here you can show on card your checklist, or you can unshow it as well. So you can have like this, or when you click show on card, you can actually show all your checklists to create the YouTube video. Okay, and then I think from here also another features that you can look into is actually looking into the chart. Okay, you have 2 tasks like what we did just now, and all priority is set to medium. You can change to important, low, or urgent later on. And then this member here, you can see that it's myself and Eileen only, and then we have the same amount of tasks. If you choose, let's say I'm working on certain tasks, be more longer here. So here we have the same task, we have 2 tasks altogether. You can also look into your schedule. Okay, this is the schedule here. I think that's all about it, guys. It's not that hard to use this Microsoft Planner, isn't it? I hope you guys find this video useful, and please share it with your friends so that they can use this Microsoft Planner to collaborate with their colleagues. And I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.